Today we shall see that we shall see the first version of data scraping from browser and PDF files. Okay, so one of the major uh, part of automating different processes is to scrape the data. Here we are going to rather than using the what it is called this thing directly using this get text or this activities, we are going to use certain data scraping tools which is inbuilt with the UiPath, and we are going to start it. Okay, so first example for today's session is, so previously we have seen that how to do the putting Excel data in a website. Okay, now here we are going to use a data scraping tool to scrape the data of a particular data of significance. Okay, now I want you to be very careful in this particular. Please do not do this thing. I will give you another 10 to 15 minutes to practice. Please understand this process first, then do. Okay, don't try to do during the process, because you might miss a step and it will not work. And most of the time it is only happening that this is not happening because you are trying to do in the same time. Okay, try to understand, if possible, write pointers on the note or on a notepad or something, right? So try to understand the process first, then you can move forward to doing it. Okay, just a second, I'm installing a library. Okay, it's installed. So now, as the screen visible to you, you can see that what we are going to do, the as this yes process name wave to Excel. Okay, so roll number 1802393. Who is this guy? 1802393. I'm locking this one. Those who want to come, they can message me in the group. Okay. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is that wave to Excel, right? And second one is screen scraping through uh, scraping mechanism. Okay, right. So what is the text you need to understand? Just a second.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So for this, do we need Microsoft Excel?
Yes, to write the activity, else it will be only can be showcased to you, right? So for this particular final activity, till here you do not require this thing, but to write this thing na, in Excel file, you need to do it.
सर कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है क्योंकि एमएस एक्सेल में हो नहीं रहा है और बहुत मतलब रन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. कल वाला भी होता वो भी रन नहीं कर पाया.
MS Excel में क्यों नहीं रन करेगा?
सर वो एमएस एक्सेल काम नहीं कर रहा, पता नहीं लैपटॉप.
तुम एक बार अपना पैकेजेस में जाके चेक करो यहाँ पे.
मैं WPS में ट्राई किया था बट उसमें एरर आने लग गया कि ऑप्शन टिक होने से इम्प्लिसिट कन्वर्जन नहीं हो रहा टेबल से कलेक्शंस में।
अच्छा, क्या बोल रहा है?
सर मैं WPS में ट्राई किया था बट एरर आ गया, ही कन्वर्जन नहीं हो रहा टेबल से इन कलेक्शंस में।
Why? See, you can see here. Do you have any activities? See, you have only Excel activities. We have only one. Okay, even all packages. If you search, so UiPath has one. So just a second. So have you shared this link with anyone? Because lot of spamming is happening, because every time I try to go for SMS sharing, 2-3 people are 180393. Is this guy present here? 180239. No, this guy is not present. So some kind of bug, some kind of security lapse. Okay, so just a second, I'm stopping the sharing. Right. Okay, so let's start. Now what we are going to do, so the web to Excel program, the data scraping we are going to understand first. So what? So here we will go to a e-commerce website. Let suppose Amazon.in. So we'll go to Amazon.in's website. Okay, and we'll search suppose a artificial intelligence books. Intelligence books. Okay, press enter. Okay, so what I want, that we want all this data, right, scrapped, all these headings and its URL. Understand? All these headings and its URL, and store it in a database or store it in a Excel file. Correct? That is the task. So you can choose anything. You can choose any book, your wish. Okay. So I just give a name. So you can also do robotic process automation books. Okay. Anything you have to choose.
We can copy the data to the Excel only or Notepad also.
If you want to copy to Notepad, it's okay, but yeah, mostly the data which will be scrapped using data scraping mechanism will become as a tabular format. Okay, not a comma separated value. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dev one. Okay, so now what we are going to do, so here I have already created this one. I will explain this one at the end, but I will let me create a new process for you. So I'm creating the same process inside a wave to excel, wave to excel. Okay, so first the task says that we have to scrape the data from the website. Okay, scrape the data from the website, store it in a database, and then write the data to Excel file and store that Excel file. Okay, so if you see, there are 60,000 titles. You can see, right? Understand? How many?
Yes.
60,000. Yeah. So, but we're not going to say, "Hello, let's scrape 100 or 200 titles out of it." Let's see how to do that. So, first, so what will be the first step here?
Open
Browser.
Open
Open browser.
Good. So, the first step will be open browser. So, I'm going to insert the open browser, this thing out of. So, my browser is this one, Amazon.in. Okay. My browser is https www.amazon.in. Right. Now, next is I have to do what? Type. Okay, I will do the typing. Yes, so where to type? Here, this is my typing box, correct? So what should we type? Suppose I am going to type artificial intelligence books. So this is what I need to type. So you can type anything, whatever books you want, whatever you can want, Bluetooth speaker, whatever you want, you can type it, right? So then what will be the next step?
Click search.
So that we can do, but this field are enter enabled field, right? We can do we can enter, right, without doing the click. Yes or no? These are enter enabled fields. You can enter and it will do the same operation as search, correct? So we can do that also here. Okay, so this is called hotkey section, this plus sign. Okay, so here you can add the activity called enter activity. So special key, if you want to add, you can see this lot many keys are available. So I need which key? Enter key. So after typing this line, it will press the keyboard enter. Okay, and you can do the simulate type also. That means the data only simply copy paste rather than typing. So it will save our time. Okay.
What was that? Similar type?
Simulate type. Yesterday I told what is simulate type. Someone.
Just copy paste the data without typing it.
Exactly. So it will in the search field it will simply copy paste this artificial intelligence rather than typing. Okay. So this is typing. This is typing. This is copy pasting. Okay, understand? Got my point? So this is what it, then you have to choose the browser section, which browser I want. So let's Chrome. Chrome is working better than Firefox for UiPath. I don't know how. Okay. So now we can, let's see whether this one is running or not. The bot started. Okay. 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 I think
सर आई थिंक वो की वाला जो मिमिक्री है वो सर कोड्स के बाहर होगा.
कोड्स के अंदर ही होगा, बट इफ यू आर डूइंग सिमुलेट टाइप इट इज ऑल्सो कॉपिंग दैट वैल्यू. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टिक टू टाइपिंग. Okay, right. So that means for this kind of operations, if we are adding hotkey, then we should not simulate type. Learning point for me also. Okay, I have never checked that one, that if you are doing simulation simulate type, you are adding hotkey, then do not give simulate type. Okay, so now what the we did the open browsing, then we did the type into activity, right? So then we will be reaching to this point. Now what is that? We have to find out this list. So in yes, so to do this, there is multiple options. So you can see there is 60,000 results. So if I go to get text, right, it is impossible for me to go and search this thing one by one. Understand? Correct. So it is impossible for us to do one by one these things. Correct. So for that we have to use a automated tool which is already available with UiPath called data scraping, which is here, this one. So there is two things. So we are going to see the use of these two tools today. One is data scraping, another is screen scraping. Okay, understand? So now after doing this thing, let's click on this, right? So let's read these 3 lines. Okay, open your browser application or document and navigate to where you want to extract the data from. So we have already cleared this thing. We have reached to the browser. Next, press next in the dialog. So this dialog we have to press, then hover the cross field. Okay, hover the mouse cursor over a data source field. So this is my data source, right? So first you have to open browser, go to the place where I want to scrape the data, right? Then you have to press next, then you have to click the field. So what you have to do, you have to press next. Once you press next, it will go and enable a screen grabbing. Okay, so I click this one. Next, understand this point very clearly. First क्या करना है? I'll going back again. Back, cancel. Here, this point, we are going to click the data scraping. So, and data scraping says that open your browser or application where you want to scrape the data. Next, press next in this dialog box. So this is the dialog box, extract wizard. We will press next, then the screen grabbing will enable. So I want this one, this title of the book. Okay, I'll click there. Then a new pop-up will open. So what it is telling, to create a pattern, you need to indicate a similar field, preferable in the last in collection, right? What it is saying, that I need to create a pattern that it is a book on artificial intelligence. Please select, right, a similar field or similar kind of section in the last in collection. So last in collection means let's roll back to the last part of the search browser, right? Even you can go here last, but even you can search here, that is almost last, right? So you can click here. So what you'll understand, so it will tell UiPath that I am searching a book. Okay, you are searching a book title. Okay, so let's create here. Oh, sorry, my bad. So I have to press next. Once I press the next, the screen grabber will enable, and it will give us the grabbing options for the second title. Okay, now I have to extract text. So I'll write book title. So column, so now it has to be stored in a data field, right? So it will be column book title. Next I want to extract the URL. If there is a URL is there, so Okay, I want to extract for the URL. Right. Now go next. What happened? This should be coming URL. What happened? Go second element. Let me search for a second element. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please tell me what is the use of this data scrapping?
Okay. So suppose you want
सर URL स्मॉल में होगा शायद इसलिए नहीं आया आपका
क्या स्मॉल में कॉलम में
URL small, हाँ जी
स्मॉल में क्यों होना चाहिए इट्स अ कॉलम नेम ना
सर मैं स्मॉल में किया तो
बुक
उसमें
टाइटल में भी तो बी और टी कैपिटल है।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ओ
ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
नहीं सर मेरे लिए से आ गया इस पे
आ गया ठीक
Sir,
है
can you tell?
जस्ट लेट मी सर्च फॉर दैट जस्ट अ सेकंड व्हाट यू आर टेलिंग just a let me
We have to click, I guess, select URL.
just a second okay
फिर तो बता दीजिए नहीं हुआ
सर मेरा हो गया सर यूआरएल के साथ आ गया सर
वो आ जाता है कभी कभी वो इसका ईबे में हो जाता है अमेजन का इशू है अमेजन की वेबसाइट का थोड़ा इशू रहता
नहीं सर मैंने अमेजोन में ही किया सर
है अमेजन का मेरा हो रहा था कल मैं कल किया था
Sir, there is a box next to extract URL. I think we have not clicked that.
no it's click yeah it came now yeah no so it sometimes happen with this based on net speed I also tried with this yesterday so now you can see so it is showing me data of this thing so you can edit the data definition and everything we don't want to go there right now we'll discuss this one by one so if you want to
सर सर अगर सपोज हमें मल्टीपल कॉलम्स चाहिए कोई तो वेबसाइट से डेटा वहाँ पे एक्सेल में करना है मल्टीपल कॉलम्स तो फिर कैसे करेंगे
multiple columns in the sense what you need again
सर अगर कोई डेटा सेट बनाना है
ठीक है मैं इसको एक बार कैंसिल करता हूँ ठीक है फिर से स्टार्टिंग से बोलते हैं ठीक है तो मुझे प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट बताओ
सर प्राइस का भी कॉलम ऐड करना होगा उसमें तो
हाँ तो करेंगे उसको आज तो सपोज यहाँ पे कितने सारे डेटा है सो एक है किंडल एडिशन है और एक पेपरबैक है दोनों का प्राइस को ऐड करना है
पब्लिशर ऑथर वो सब
वो तुम करो ना मैं तुमको एक एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ तुम बैठ के करो ठीक है
ओके सर
हाँ तो लेट्स सी व्हाई इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग राइट so someone asked ki why we need to do this so आज only C has answered that thing suppose I want to make a database data set of all the available artificial intelligence books their URL their price tag and everything in amazon.com right so I would think of that you are a librarian and you want to keep a track of all the books new books which is coming on this thing so if your catalog is dynamically updating every day then always you have been updated state so this is just example so similarly you can take lot many examples so suppose you want to keep a track of the new Bluetooth headset right so you can always run the bot and it can find it out what is the newest in the market right so when it is launched like this is the time when it is launched right okay so so what we are going to do we are going to do data scraping for this so let me save this package first then we'll go to so let me go to data scraping next so one is this so another one it want to create a pattern so for that you need to create something similar kind of this thing so let me find out yeah this is easier yes
Sir,
Hmm.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain me the use of this?
I am telling that one only, na? Just 2 minutes back. Why you need data scraping?
And
So,
screen scrapping.
screen scraping we have not discussed, started. It's only data scraping. Screen scraping, there is another separate example. Wait. Okay. So it has taken all the results which is available on this particular link, right? Now suppose I want all the one, then you can this thing you can go for you can increase. If you put 0, right, that is the maximum number of results. Understand? If you put 0, it will take maximum. So I'm not going for that 0. If you put 0, and you can test it how many this thing it is going, right? Now if you want to extract another data, so suppose you want to extract the price tag. Okay, so for that you have to go for extract correlated data, right? So you want to this is the price tag. Okay, next I have to choose second element as usual. Define the first column. Okay. Okay. So what's the problem with that? What it is saying? The price tag is this thing. Okay, so this is something, this limited time deal. So we have to put anchor base over here. Cholo. Something which is not dynamic. Which one is not? The date is not dynamic, I think. Okay. Yes, this one is not dynamic. So this is my, okay. Which one I have taken? The book name. Artificial plot class 9. This one. Let's see. Are please indicate the
नीचे वाला नहीं
सर ये वाला नहीं
है
देता सर।
टिप्स लर्निंग टीम
If we take only the paperback pricing, it is showing the results.
Paperback pricing means if you click
It's
on
the first price only. Like suppose like in the time deal, if we take 523 and the following sequence, no sir, if we take 821, click on 821.
let's say, let me differs by a tag. So this is what's the issue with that? You are telling that
If we click on the first price,
this one.
yes, 821.
Next.
Then in the second, the following price, like five, it's there 576 something. Okay. Yes.
No.
Sir, it worked on me.
We need to check it out. Okay, just a second.
सिंस आपका इतना एंट्री हो जा रहा है ना बुक नेम से, मेरा सब 5 ही हो रहा है सर, क्यों समझ में आ रहा है? आपका इतना एंट्री, आपका एंट्री हुआ है ना बुक नेम बहुत सारा है, मेरा बस 5 आ रहा है सर।
Why?
आई डोंट नो सर।
वो रिफ्रेश करके एक बार वो स्क्रैप करो, ठीक है? एक बार रिफ्रेश करो और स्क्रैप करो।
तो यूआरएल के लिए क्या करना होगा? यूआरएल वाला पार्ट नहीं आ रहा है, खाली बुक नेम आ रहा है।
यूआरएल नहीं आ रहा है ना, पूरा डेटा स्क्रैपिंग पार्ट डिलीट करके फिर से एक बार करो। वो अमेजन के साथ रखो, एक सेकंड, वो इसका वेबसाइट amazon.com में जाके चेक करना है। ये amazon.com में पूरा प्रॉपर्ली amazon.in में इशू हो रहा है। amazon.com
फर्स्ट और लास्ट तक जितना बुक्स होगा उतना ही मतलब सिलेक्ट होगा ना, तो अलग से कुछ नंबर स्पेसिफाई नहीं कर सकते?
नहीं नहीं, तुम अपना करो ना, कुछ कोई इशू नहीं हुआ, नहीं होना चाहिए। अच्छा, कोरिलेटेड डेटा का मैं और एक एग्जांपल दिखा देता हूँ, इसमें थोड़ा इशू हो रहा है बिकॉज मल्टीपल डायनामिक फील्ड्स है। ठीक है, जोमेटो वाला एग्जांपल्स कर सकते हैं।
सर
हम्म,
हेलो सर।
हाँ बोलो।
सर वो बस बुक टाइटल दिखा रहा है सर, यूआरएल नहीं आ
उसको
रहा है।
डिलीट करके एक बार और कर दो, ठीक है, वो डेटा स्क्रैपिंग को जो है ना उसको बंद करके और एक बार ट्राई करो, स्टार्ट करो। वो भी कभी कभी इशू होता है अमेजन की वेबसाइट के साथ। अगर अमेजन में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो ईबे में करो, ईबे में हो जाएगा पक्का, ebay.in में। ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं होगा। Okay, so I think this is a stable field. We can extract the data, which is number of review. Okay, cannot find pattern. How? ओके ठीक है, मैं उसका एक ये देखिए, इसको कैंसिल करते हैं और डेटा स्क्रैपिंग करते हैं बस यूआरएल एंड दिस का। Okay, just here I'm showing data scraping, then also correlated in another example. Okay.
सर इसको फिनिश करने के बाद ये कहीं पे सेव हुआ है क्या?
सेव वाला दिखा रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड। Okay, so once you have done, right, if you want to get maximum this thing, you can put it more number of time. Okay, 100 के अगर 0 कर दोगे तो it will copy also, but this is I think 70,000 या 80,000 होगा, so 80,000 results, it will take lot more time to run. Okay, so I'll just finish it. Once you finish it, you will see, so it will ask, is the data spanning multiple pages? Okay, that means whether the data we're scrapping, so yes, it is in multiple spaces. You can see that ये है, ठीक है, so you have to indicate what is the next value. So it is asking ki which button if you click it will go to the next page. So this is the next page, so it will indicate next page. Right now we can see that this data scraping has been done, that we have attached the browser from amazon.com where you have extracted the artificial intelligence. Now if you click here, right, and see the data has been extracted to a variable called data table, extracted data table variable. So if you click on the variable, so it's a extracted data table, so I don't want to change it, it is okay. So variable type data table, scope is data scraping. Okay, now what you want to do, that we have to store this one in a particular Excel file, right? So interesting thing about that, if you have a Excel file and you want to write in a separate sheet, that is also work. If you do not have a Excel file, you can directly this thing you can directly use to create an Excel file, then write. Okay, so you have to create this activity called write range activity. Drag and drop here. Okay, write range activity. So here you have to define workbook path. Okay, if it is not there, so you can create it, Amazon underscore AI book, AI books dot. So what is the extension for Excel file? XLSX. Okay, so if you want to create a sheet, you can create, like now if you want to use the whole this thing, I know I have given you that only single quote it has to be, right? If you want to change the name of the sheet name, right, sheet name means this one, this is your sheet name. So this one This one is called sheet name, sheet 1, right? If you want to change it, you can change it also. So by default it will come as sheet 1. So if you want to change like something like data 1, right? And you have to give what is the data table from where you want to write this Excel file, right? So what is the data table? So data table which is extracted here, which is nothing but my extract data table. So I have to put that value here. So extract data table,
सर
right?
मेरा सिर्फ 2 ही रो आया है, ऊपर वाला नहीं आया, तो शीट का जो नाम देना है।
सर मेरा भी 2 ही आ रहा है। 2 ही आ रहा मतलब ये दोनों
मतलब
आया।
शीट का नाम जहाँ पे लिखना है
सर
वो
सर
नहीं।
सर राइट रेंज में आपका जो 3 आ रहा है, हमारा 2 आ रहा है।
Use it from a workbook, not from Excel only. I have done that before. Use it from workbook.
This one, na? You are telling right range. So do search this one, right range, right? Use this one.
From the workbook.
Here, from here. Got it? This one, not this one. Use this one. Okay. Right. Now once it is done, you can save it and run the file. Let me close this website. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So it is showing an error, failed to convert to type system.string while saving it.
Just let me see. Check it out. Let's save the papers. This error you are getting?
Sir, it's showing failed to convert system.activities.in argument to type system.string.
Oh, that's the issue.
It's showing some browser error. So now it's saved.
Attach the browser. Okay, some code selector not found. Which one is not found? Chrome.exe. Attach browser, Amazon.com page. Okay, let me see. Indicate on
Check the not found exception.
Okay,
HTML.
This one is this is attach browser.
Wow.
Browser type is Edge.
ये एक्सेल फाइल कहाँ से खुलेगा?
वो ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट होगा। एक सेकंड में जस्ट अपना ब्राउजर टाइप्स को थोड़ा चेंज करता हूँ, देखते हैं क्या इशू है। ओके, some kind of browser error is coming here.
रन हो रहा है पर एक्सेल फाइल नहीं बन रहा है।
नहीं। The browser, it should go to 3 step. 100 entries na. It has to go 3 next. It is not clicking to the next tab.
Yes, sir. There is a validation issue while it's showing red.
फिर डेटा स्क्रैपिंग नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब जब रन करने के बाद?
Extracted table create हो रहा है।
नो सर, मतलब एक्सेल फाइल नहीं हो रहा।
सर मैं जब मार रहा हूँ तब वो नेक्स्ट हो रहा है पर उसके बाद एक्सेल फाइल क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा। नेक्स्ट हो रहा है
सेम एरर है सर, एक्सेल फाइल क्रिएट नहीं हो रही।
नेक्स्ट हो रहा है।
Sir, I have a selector does not found.
Yeah, same issue. I am also getting. I was
सर
not.
मेरा एक्सेल सर मेरा वो एक्सेल वाला नहीं हो रहा है सर।
नहीं,
एक्सेल शीट क्रिएट ही नहीं हो रहा है सर।
जहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट सेव किया उस प्रोजेक्ट को खोलो, वहाँ पे एक्सेल फाइल होगा। क्रिएट देखो, एरर दे रहा है, नहीं दे रहा है तो
पहले प्रीव्यू दिख रहा है, प्रीव्यू में
what not able.
यस सर एक्सेल फाइल बन गया।
डिफाइंड एक्सेल फाइल
एक्सेल फाइल बन गया। यस एक्सेल फाइल बन चुका।
See, this Excel file is created, but whether the data is put or not, that is a so major issue I am getting, that this some kind of error I am getting. Okay.
सर मेरा एक्सेल फाइल में डेटा है सर।
तो अच्छा, मतलब the Excel file will not open. Okay. So you have to see.
सर बुक का नाम और लिंक आया है एक्सेल फाइल।
So it will be inside that project. So this one. Extracted data table. Let's see. Working yesterday seamlessly.
ये अभी तो सेव WPS में हो रहा है।
यस सर WPS में हो जा रहा है।
क्या?
सर जब एक्सेल फाइल खोल रहे हैं तो WPS में खुल जा रहा है सही से।
लेकिन ये रीड नहीं कर पा रहा है उससे
WPS से रीड नहीं, that is the issue ना, because there is no activities from that.
सर मेरे एक्सेल शीट में 15 तो मतलब नेम्स आए हैं, उतना आएगा या सर जितना हम लोग पेजेस सिलेक्ट किए होंगे वो सबका आएगा?
सबका आना चाहिए बाय डिफॉल्ट, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम मैंने कितना किया था। जस्ट एक सेकंड, इट्स रनिंग, देयर इज दिस एक्सेल आई हैव क्रिएटेड, जस्ट अ सेकंड।
Yes, sir. I am also finding exactly.
This is the error. This was not coming yesterday. Okay. This is something with the Chrome extension right now happening. It was not coming at all. So let me open a Firefox and let me grab that one from Firefox website.
सर मेरा फायरफॉक्स में हो गया.
अच्छा है ना, but that's good. See, in real world, a lot of problems happen, right? You cannot always ascertain कि okay, I'm working means this system is going to work all the time.
सर मेरा तो URL ही नहीं दे रहा, नेम से वाला बुक्स का.
हाँ, so I'm doing this thing. I'm totally changing this process right now. Okay, I'm just attaching a different browser to it. Attaching Firefox. I'm deleting this one totally. Okay.
डेटा स्क्रैपिंग तो क्रोम से हो या फायरफॉक्स से, दोनों का तो वही रहेगा ना. तो
नहीं, अभी क्या है, डेटा स्क्रैपिंग में मेरा क्रोम में कुछ सिलेक्टर का इशू आ रहा है.
ओके ओके,
ठीक है, that's the problem. I'm not able to find. So some selector issue it is coming. So let me copy this whole thing. Now I'll go for data scraping.
सर मेरा एक्सेल ही क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा.
एक्सेल है, इंस्टॉल्ड है तुम्हारा?
हाँ सर, अपाची ओपन ऑफिस अभी इंस्टॉल किया.
हाँ,
उसके बाद भी नहीं हो रहा है.
देखना पड़ेगा फिर.
अगर रन हो गया होगा तो एक्सेल फाइल क्रिएट हो गया होगा.
वो प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर जाके एक बार चेक करो तो.
सर नहीं, उधर रिफ्रेश मारने से भी आ जाता है.
सर वो कॉलम 2 में URL जो दिया वो पूरे पेज का दिया है क्या?
इसको क्लिक करने से जो URL आएगा,
उसका रेंज कहाँ से कहाँ तक रहेगा?
हाँ,
उसका रेंज कहाँ से कहाँ तक रहेगा?
किसका रेंज?
URL का सर.
URL का जितना कॉलम दिए होगे, जितना तुम सर्च दिए होगे.
अगर मुझे बुक का नाम ना लेके मैं अगर उधर ऑथर का नाम लूंगा तो तब भी आ जाएगा क्या वो? तो अगर
देखो, ऑथर इज वेरी डायनामिक फील्ड. एक ऑथर नहीं है, 3 ऑथर है. ठीक है. So it is creating a pattern by matching the titles. Okay, so the title is artificial intelligence. So there is, if something there is like author name like that have there na, it is not there. It is written by this. Okay. So that is the issue. So let me just check it whether it is showing the output or not. Okay, so I think it has run and it has stored the data in the data table called extracted here. Okay, right, now we have to write the data. Let's see. So I have to write range. Still running. Okay, it is running. Okay, it is running. I think it has stored all the data. Okay, now write range. So I have already created a path book, so I can books data one, all the columns.
सर
yes,
ये मतलब पहले सेव करना पड़ेगा एक्सेल शीट में
नहीं
Amazon?
जरूरत नहीं है, मैंने ऑलरेडी बनाया हुआ है इसलिए इसको ले लिया। तुम यहाँ पे कोई भी टाइप कर दो वो क्रिएट कर लेगा डिफॉल्ट लोकेशन पे जहाँ पे तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट स्टोर है। ठीक है
फिर वो ब्लैंक कोटेशन देना है?
हाँ, ब्लैंक कोटेशन मतलब ऑल एवरीथिंग। ओके
सर इसके बाद क्या क्लिक करना है एक्सेल फाइल जनरेट करने के लिए?
जनरेट करने के लिए कुछ क्लिक नहीं करना है, जस्ट गिव द नेम। ओके okay, now you can see it is working. It's going to next pages by clicking to the next. You can see that, right? Wait, just created. Okay, now if you go to that file location, what happened? Why it is not stored? Because data is there, it's showing 8 KB. Yes, right. So the column 1 is my books. So right, so it has taken all the 7 pages, whatever maximum it has, right? Then this is the links. Okay, now what someone is telling that to see the correlated data, right? So we'll do one thing, we'll find the correlated data using Google Earth, this thing, Google Map. Okay, so let's go to Google Map. Okay, so the website is map. Or this thing. Okay, this is the website, correct? So I'll do one thing, so I'll just delete it. I'll show you how to get the correlated data, right? So I'll change this URL. So I'll and this one I have to indicate. So suppose I want to search what? I want to search food joints near me. Okay, food joints near me. So if you see, if food joints are there now, so this one is a very static field, this ratings, and it is constant. Okay, it don't have any dynamic field. If it is no reviews, it will so skip it. Okay, so just copy it. Okay, now we have to indicate that on the screen. So indicate on the screen, I want here. Okay, and I want to search what? I want to search food joints near me. I can add a hotkey like enter. Yes. Bolo.
Can I explain this question?
Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
So in the Excel one, it will take the whole data set.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. So it's working. So it's going next to next.
Ah.
Let's see.
So it will find all the what is written as artificial intelligence. You will see not some books are there machine learning, right? Some books are there Python, Right. They may come as a search field from artificial intelligence, but UiPath is searching books on artificial intelligence. Which that means it is just finding that tagline. Understand?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, there is an error there. It's writing source right range message extension that ODS is not supported. Supported?
OpenOffice is also not supported.
No, sir.
सर इन द राइट रेंज देयर इज अ वर्कबुक पाथ तो वो हमको पहले से एक्सेल फाइल बनाना है या फिर
नहीं नहीं, तुम देखो बाय डिफॉल्ट अगर तुमको बना दे तभी चलेगा, नहीं तो यू कैन गिव द नेम देयर इटसेल्फ डिफाइन एंड इट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन द डिफॉल्ट लोकेशन. ओके, right. So I'll type this one. I have to go for data scraping. Oh, sorry. Okay. I need to do the data scraping. So select next element. So what I am searching, that hotel names. Okay. So one I will search here. Okay. Okay, just a second. This need to be closed. Okay. Why it is? This should come. Let's see.
सर शायद ये पूरा एक ही एलिमेंट है इसलिए अलग अलग करके नहीं ले रहा.
नहीं कल नहीं लेना चाहिए क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस का ले रहा था. Okay, let's see what it is finding. See, it got URLs, it is not getting the name. Let's see. Just tell me a website. Just tell. I'm not. See, I'm not able to listen you clearly. Just tell me a website where ratings can be easily be found. Zomato.
IMDb.
IMDb is this rating website. Zomato. Zomato will be there, ना?
Zomato मगर उसका नाम तो अलग अलग हुआ ना?
Yes, Zomato. What we can search? Pizza.
पिज्जा लेने से भी तो सबका नाम तो अलग होगा ना?
क्या नाम?
Like it's finding a pattern, na? So if you have to search for something, so every shop doesn't have a pizza in its.
So you just tell me now which is where we can get, because some changes happened to this map.google site. I don't know what. Previously map.google.com.
Sir?
So what it is doing, it is not coming as a website. Yes, that's the issue. So you tell me a website where we can get some this rating kind of thing. Even in IMDb, what I can search?
मूवी रेटिंग
में तो रेटिंग नहीं ले रहा था पहले जो किया.
नहीं वो तो पहले हम लोग वो तो एक ही डेटा स्क्रैप कर रहे थे ना. नहीं IMDb में क्या है? IMDb you can only search for movies ना. The variety will not come. Let's see whether Bing website is working or not.
सर गूगल फॉन्ट्स में जाके शायद वो शायद स्टैटिक है।
Which one?
गूगल फॉन्ट्स।
Google font. Okay.
यस सर, उसमें रिलेटेड डेटा भी मिलेगा और स्टैटिक भी होगा।
This one.
यस
सर
सर।
जोमेटो का ले रहा है सर।
ले रहा है?
हाँ सर, जोमेटो हम ट्राई किए, हो रहा है।
क्या किए?
सर उसका नेम एक्सट्रैक्ट किए तो नेम तो एक्सट्रैक्ट हो गया, लेकिन बस प्रॉब्लम वही हो रहा है कि उसके साथ उसका नाम भी एक्सट्रैक्ट कर दे रहे हैं।
That's the point I'm just trying to do. So let me just think about where I can get rating websites to it.
We can take the site that it gives a rating of movies from different critics.
But what will we going to search? How to give a pattern to that data scraping?
For a movie, for a particular movie, we can get the ratings of different critics.
Oh, critics rating. But
Yes, sir.
for that, it is not available in that web page, na? It has to click and go. Right? Even if you go to IMDb.
IMDb, we have to search for the name and then we can compare the ratings of the critics.
In Cars 24, can you get this ratings for different cars?
Which one?
It's same as the films.
सर बट यहाँ पे तो मूवी फिक्स हो गया ना, मूवी का नेम।
हाँ, that's the point.
Sir, what about Cars 24?
Sir, Make My Trips.
Make My Trip.
Make My Trip में तो सब प्लेसेस का नाम अलग अलग है।
सर एक बार हम स्क्रीन शेयर करें, आप एक बार देखिए।
होटल्स में जाके अलग अलग होटल्स है।
हाँ, होटल्स के रेटिंग्स देख सकते हैं, बट इट इज हाईली डायनामिक। मेक माई ट्रिप।
सर जोमेटो पे ले रहा है, बट वो क्या है ना, जो उसका ऑफर रहता है ना 75% ऑफ, वो उस नाम के नीचे बस ले रहा है और
अच्छा,
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
एक सेकंड ना, लेट मी थिंक, जस्ट अ सेकंड। जोमेटो।
सर उसमें पैटर्न में उसका नाम में पिज्जा नहीं होना चाहिए, बट उसमें मतलब एक लाइन अगर आप चूज कर रहे हैं तो नेक्स्ट वाला जो चूज कर रहे हैं वो भी एक लाइन में होना चाहिए। ये पैटर्न मांग रहा है, वो ये नहीं मांग रहा है कि उस नाम में पिज्जा होना ही चाहिए।
वही ये हो, फिर ये वाला नेक्स्ट लेने से भी हो जाएगा।
हाँ सर, सिर्फ वही वाला हम लिए है ना, तो वो जो 75% ऑफ लिखा हुआ है ना,
कहाँ पे?
बस वो भी प्रिंट हो जा रहा है। हाँ सर, वो
ये भी प्रिंट हो रहा है, ये भी प्रिंट हो रहा है।
हाँ सर, दोनों आ रहा है।
वही दोनों एक ही टेबल में दिया हुआ है क्या? जस्ट एक सेकंड।
हाँ सर, वो भी एक ही टेबल में ही आ रहा है।
Now it's working for me.
हाँ सर, मेरा भी ठीक हुआ।
Okay. So what we did now? We choose the restaurants from Zomato. Okay. So but what we have to do now? We have to change that open browser option. We are not typing anything. Okay. We are not typing anything. We are just going to this Zomato website. Okay, so to see, just let's see. Let's just go to Zomato website. So by default from my Apple. Let's see, Bhubaneswar.
पर जो फूड नेम है वो तो चेंज हो सकता है ना लोड करने पर कभी कभी।
हाँ,
तो डेटा स्क्रैपिंग करके तो वो फिर से करना पड़ेगा।
क्या चेंज हो जाएगा?
मतलब ये जो सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं फूड का नाम है ये पिज्जा या फिर वो
No, I'm not selecting pizza this time. I'm just selecting only giving this thing, and I will scrap only these names. Okay, I'm not giving this thing pizza or anything. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll just open the browser. Okay, and move this type into activity. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do the data scraping activity. So
So you have removed the type into activity.
which one? Yes, I have removed the type into activity. I'm just going to this. Okay. Okay, so extract correlated data. What was that? First one. Let's go to this one. That's working right now, right?
You have to choose the same one which you choose in first.
Same one was this one. Yeah. So this is rating. Next you can see delivery time also. You can see whether you can able to. Let's see that we can able to find the delivery time or not. Price and delivery time on a single line. Okay. Price and okay, right. So we got this hotel rating and price and delivery time. Okay, so next we can go for a finish. Yes, we have next page, so we can always show him. I think Zomato
पेज पे क्लिक करें तो नेक्स्ट पेज क्यों करेंगे?
नहीं किसको नहीं, अगर इसमें नेक्स्ट पेज आता है Zomato में, आई थिंक नेक्स्ट पेज इज नॉट, ऑप्शन इज नॉट देयर. It is showing everything on a single page, right? So it do not have a next page option. We do not want. Okay, we can
तो
simply write.
Amazon में हमने एक ही पेज से सिलेक्ट किया था
उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पेज किया था ना.
नहीं मैंने किया था.
हाँ
तो फिर आ गया था पूरा.
हाँ
तो नेक्स्ट पेज नहीं करने पर भी आ रहा है.
नहीं करने पे नहीं. अच्छा, अगर तुम वहाँ पे 100 दिए हो, अगर एक ही पेज में 100 है तो वो उतना 100 चूज करके छोड़ देगा वो, या फिर जितना भी वो स्क्रैप करना चाहता है.
नहीं मैंने स्टार्ट एंड जितना किया है उतना तक ही आ रहा है. मतलब फर्स्ट और सेकंड जितना है।
अच्छा है. So I can create this one, this Zomato rating. So Zomato dot Excel SX. I am not creating this one. You can see. So it will be by default created. I have not created this file. It will be by default created. The data table is extracted. I think. Right now, run file. So it will take some time. Is there any problem happened? Yes, it has scrapped everything. Okay, you can see. Yes.
Because while selecting the name of the hotels, it is only showing 2 names, not all the names.
Where there itself, but if you once you finish that thing, na, it will show everything will be there. Only for me it was showing 7 to 8 that time, na.
Yes, sir. But
Do one thing, you choose something from the below stack. Okay, you are choosing in the same line, na, the next one.
yes, sir.
Choose something from the below stack, at least 5, 6, 7 below. Okay, so now you got a data set, right? Correct. So this is called web scraping or browser scraping. So just a second, let me get my charger. It's dying. Okay. Okay. So similarly, you can do a lot many activities including this thing. So you try to do this thing. Okay. Find out this kind of websites and all. Okay. Now I'm going something for screen scraping. Okay. So screen
100 वाला मीनिंग क्या है उसका?
किसका?
जो आपने 100 दिखा रहा था डेटा स्क्रैपिंग के वक्त?
100 means it only choose if there is 100 available data is there, it will going to choose only 100. So suppose there is number of availability, suppose 1000, right? So it will choose only 100, first 100 out of it. Okay.
सर आपका तो 80 सिलेक्ट हुआ था वहां पे एक्सेल
Total
में।
80 ही होगा, मतलब total number of data is 80. So when I select 100, what will happen? Now suppose 80 hotels are delivering in Bhubaneswar. Even if I write 100, what will happen? It will not go to replicate. No? It will only going to show. So that is the maximum number you are putting. Okay.
Okay.
Understand the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So next we are going to use this option called screen scraping. Okay. So this here we are introducing a little bit of optical character recognition. Okay. So now I have created this page, so I can share this page with you, right? So suppose I want to scrape the data, okay, out of it. So here, if you see, this data is text. If it is getting selected and you are able to copy, it is text. Understand? But whereas this part of the data is not text. What it is an image. It's an image file, right? It's not a text file, it's a image file. Okay, so what I'm trying to do that suppose, so you'll see there is lot of OCR files are available in website. So if you go, so suppose let me show you some websites. So if you go, so there is lot of historical documents, right? So these are printed. Okay. So these are printed documents. Okay, but very old, right? So suppose I want to recognize this character. So this is a copy which is scanned. This is a book which is scanned, right? So let me show you another book. I think I have. Lucky. Okay, so if you go by this book, okay, this is a very old book. It's a copy from my university where I studied my BTech. So that time we used to do not have this. So I have a Xerox copy and I later scan and store it. So these are all, if you choose it, so these are what? They are not text, they are image files. Understand? They are image files. So if you want to understand, so I have to recognize through a OCR engine, that is optical character recognition engine. So that has to be done through a application which is known as screen scraping in this thing. So if you have a document like this PDF activity, so PDF document or a Word document where you have this thing, right? So you can use the screen scraping functionalities out of it. Okay. So what you can do, so you can go here. So you can see that extract data from a specified UI element or document using full text native or OCR method. So we are here stick to either we can use native method, but native methods are not much successful. Rather than you can go with full text and OCR method, right? So this is so smart. This is going to automatically detect for this thing. Okay, understand? So suppose I want this area, right? Now we can see it has so it has scraped the data out of it, right? So what is the problem with this? Because there is a URL, hidden URL is here. Yes. Okay, so native method, you can see there is no text extracted from this UI element. Okay, so I will go with full text. Now if you see, using this full text method, do not go for this annotation and all this thing. Okay, so now if you see, it has scrapped till the end. Okay, if you see, I have only shown him existing process here till here, RPA board scan, but it has scrapped till this point, end text. Okay, so what is the problem with this thing? This is not a typed text, so there is hidden elements are there. Okay, hidden HTML elements are there because this text has been copied, downloaded. Okay, so it is RPA board share, easy to set up, use and share if you know how to record this thing. Okay.
सर इमेज क्यों नहीं वहां पे दिखा रहा है इमेज वाला टेक्स्ट?
Because you have not used the OCR engine. Okay. So you have to use the OCR engine. Now you can see how much time it take. Only take 40 milliseconds to extract the text from a PDF, right? The problem with this PDF is downloaded from net. So there is hidden elements are there. It is not looking, but hidden elements are there. I copied this one from a browser. That's the problem. Okay. So if I have typed, this will not be an issue. Now if I go for OCR and refresh it, let's see. Okay, so you can see that it has from here, it robotic process automation modes have the same digital skill set as people's, right? Where it is gone? Can be just a second. Huh? I have to regions. Okay, sorry, I forgot to region mark it. Okay, I have to anchor the UI element. So you can see that start of image, robotic process automation, both have this thing, and end of image. Okay, so like that. Now what is this? There is two type of OCR engine and available. One is Microsoft OCR, which is made by Microsoft. Another one is Tesseract OCR. So Tesseract OCR is made by Google. Okay, so we can choose this. Okay, so Tesseract OCR has been made by Google engine. Okay, so you can use any of this. Microsoft is much simpler. Here you can choose the language also, it is understandable. Any characters you can choose. Now what is this scale? So this scale is that sometimes you will see that in images some of the characters are not recognized due to bad resolution. So what it will do, it scale means it will magnify the image in backend and try to understand. Okay, so suppose here it is one line was there, right? So this is a very neat text. It is able to easy to understand. So suppose let me find out some PDF which is not so good. Where is that PDF I have taken? Just a second. Let me take a page out of it. So this is not very this thing. Okay, let's do it. Page. Okay, so just a second. Let me create a PDF which is not so good. Just so this so this is a PDF I created. This is not so clear if you read it. It has functionality issues. It has zooming issues. So if you want to scrap this one, right? So I want to do for a so I want do a screen scraping of this one. Okay. So those who are full text, those are readable text that has been copied here. Okay. So if it is not readable, okay, so it has also select everything. Okay, correct. Now if so this scale is used. Now if some characters are not so like this IEX joke, right? If you see, so this IEX joke is not there. This something will be there, right? What is that written? If perceptive author said the function of the teacher is the function of this book. So this book become right. Sorry, this book become this IXJCO. So if you increase the magnification, suppose increase by 3. Now you can see, I think, understand what is this work of this scale?
सर एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा सर.
Okay, so now suppose I am using scale 1, right? And You see here what is came. I think it has recorded from the last. Okay, it has understood now. So that is not IXO. So it has understood. Okay. So previously when you took, so this line was coming this IXOOK, not book. It was coming IOOK. Instead of B, it was detecting I. Right. So when I increase the scale, so what it will do when you increase the scale, this guy is going to zoom this. Okay. In backend, it is going to zoom and understand what is this. Got my point? Then you can finish. If you do the finish, then you can see, okay, you are going to get the data from this particular text. Okay, then you can copy this data and write using the PDF functionality. So this one I will see tomorrow's class. This will take a little more time. Okay, so tomorrow we shall finish this OCR, and then we shall move forward this a large scale automation. Okay.
सर अगर पिछला वाला पीडीएफ पूरा सिलेक्ट करा मतलब टेक्स्ट और इमेज पूरा तो फिर वो डिटेक्ट कर पाएगा?
हाँ किया ना, ये वाला तो पूरा इमेज था, पूरा डिटेक्ट किया ना, जो टेक्स्ट एंड इमेज ना।
सर तो स्केल का काम सिर्फ जूम करना है?
जूम करना है बस। ठीक है, ओके। So we'll just one point left here. Everyone do one thing. Install this package before coming to this one. This one, UiPath PDF activities in your system. So go to all package, search UiPath PDF. Okay. This one.
सर एक्सेल के लिए कौन सा करना था सर, वो बता दीजिएगा एक बार। नहीं देखा।
एक्सेल एक्टिविटीज ही है। ओके, उसका तो अल्टरनेटिव मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा, एक्चुअली है नहीं। पीडीएफ एक्टिविटीज, सर्च, गो टू लोकल, सॉरी, गो टू ऑल पैकेजेस, ओपन मैनेज पैकेज, गो टू ऑल पैकेजेस, सर्च पीडीएफ, just a second, search PDF. So you will get UiPath PDF activities, this one. क्लिक हियर, देन यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल बटन आएगा, इंस्टॉल करके इसको सेव कर देना है। ठीक है?
ओके सर।
सो इट इज बेस। हाँ
सर, ये आप सर ओपन ऑफिस अपाचे का सर कौन सा वर्जन डाउनलोड करना था सर, वो नहीं पता।
लेटेस्ट वर्जन करो, मुझे नहीं पता है, ओपन ऑफिस काम करेगा ही नहीं, पर लेट मी टेस्ट इट। ओके, देन आई विल, मैं इसमें लिख दूंगा। ठीक है? हाँ, just a second, I need to go for a official meeting.